I'm Carol Berber, Mama Carol. I'm not a cook, I'm just a mom who loves to cook for her family. Tortillas are part of every meal, so I've become an expert at creating innovative meals using our favorite ingredient, mi rancho tortillas. Today I'm going to be making a great recipe, grilled romaine chicken Caesar salad wrap. So today I'm going to begin with fillets. I have these thin-cut chicken breasts that are perfect for a quick grill. I slather them with a lot of olive oil so they don't stick to the grill because they cook quite quickly. Then I have a prepared seasoning here of garlic salt, little cumin, some salt and pepper, and it seasons them up really nice. And be generous with seasoning. And of course you flip them and season the other side just the same. Alrighty, so this chicken is ready to hit the grill. Grill's on about medium-high. That's exactly what you want to hear. Shouldn't take more than 3-4 minutes on each side, because once again, they're very thin fillets. Look at there, it's golden, it's perfectly cooked. So here we go. Let's get chopping. So I like to chop it kind of chunky, bite-sized chunks, just like when we get ready for our romaine, so you have similar sized bites. All right, now it's time to dress our romaine salad. I love to use the hearts of the romaine. It's just a little heartier than the full romaine, so you just want to generously olive oil, salt, and pepper your romaine salads. Get it all ready for the grill. I put lots and lots of salt. It's a lot of salad to dress up. So we're ready. Take this romaine to the hot grill. Alrighty, I think my romaine lettuce is just perfectly grilled. Look at those char marks. Just can't tell you how great this is going to taste. So I'm going to start chopping, and about the same size bite pieces as my chicken. So what I usually do is I hold on to the bottom. It cuts a lot easier. You just cut through it, and then when you get to the end, I like to make a little vertical cut just so you're not getting massive bites of romaine lettuce. You do the same here. Alrighty, so the romaine's all nice and chopped, so let's get that into a bowl so we can toss it with some Caesar dressing. And so I have it here, but of course you're always welcome to use whatever you have at home or store-bought. There's a lot of good ones on the market. So here, let's lightly dress this romaine and give it a toss, and then we'll be ready to prepare our wraps. That's looking really nice. Okay. These are our Simply Authentic line burrito size I'm going to use for our wraps today. And as you can see, it's a very soft product, which makes it perfect and pliable. And it's also the best tasting tortilla for this product to wrap and roll a burrito. So I'm going to start by taking my tortilla and adding my grilled romaine lettuce. So I put quite a bit in there. I know how to wrap a nice little tight wrap, and then we add some of our nice grilled chicken to that. And then always Caesar, we need to add a little Parmesan, so I like to put a lot of that Parmesan cheese on top. Doesn't that look nice? And then I'll show you how to roll a nice tight wrap. So you roll it and pinch tight, you take it and tuck it, and then you roll it tight, and you have a nice tight burrito roll. That's not the end. Why not toast the tortilla and have it substitute for a nice crunchy crouton? Grill's still really hot. Should take about 30-40 seconds. Alrighty, so look at that toasted romaine and chicken salad. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. So here we go. Beautiful Caesar salad wrap is ready to go. Just remember always to cook with pure tortilla joy.